Hey guys, so I've been talking for a while saying that I have an announcement and it's finally time to tell you what it is. So I'm going to be taking from tomorrow until the I'm not gonna be posting tomorrow until the 30th of September, so I'll start posting again on the 1st of October because I have something really exciting planned for October. First, we are doing 31 days of Halloween, so I'm going to be doing 31 Halloween looks, which I don't know how the hell I'm going to manage, but we're going to try. Then we're going to do 31 normal videos, so that's already 2 videos a day. And then we're also going to be doing 31 days of giveaways. That is my announcement. I have 31 days of giveaways coming up, and let me tell you, I have been saving for months. I've been buying these products for months, and I'm so excited. I hope you guys are going to love this as much as I do. I hope you guys are excited as I am. I cannot wait for you guys to see everything that I have bought, and yeah, I just hope you guys are going to be like as happy as I am and as excited as I am. So yeah, 31 days of giveaways. I know it doesn't sound like a lot, but that is a lot of giveaways. Like, trust me, like there is a lot of products in here. So I've been organising those for the last couple of months. I've been organising like what looks I'm going to do and stuff. So yeah. I will see you guys on the 1st of October, and get ready for it. It's going to be a long month, a very long and exciting and chock-a-block month. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the 1st of October. Bye!